Guys, we're going to change the Zoom gallery background from this into this, or better, like this. So, stay tuned! First, we're going to open our OBS and then click the Zoom and log in our Zoom meeting. 4,000. Click join and then passcode. Okay. Now, we're going to capture this one into our OBS, and from this black background, we're going to change this one into any other video or image or picture, whatever you want. Okay, next, go to our OBS. In the sources, click the plus icon. Okay, and then click window capture. Click OK. Here, in the window, we're going to choose the zoom. Okay, this should be the zoom gallery as we can see it here in our zoom. But unfortunately, here it is just only white. For us to capture the zoom gallery, we're going to configure our zoom setting. First, we're just going to click OK this one and then go to our zoom. Now, here, click this one and then click video settings. In the video, click the advanced. And then here, video rendering method. Okay, this one from the auto, we're going to change it into GDI. Click this one. So here it should be GDI. Okay, and then click X. Then we're going to relog in our Zoom. So we must leave the meeting. Okay. Now, let us going to rejoin to our Zoom meeting again in order for the changes to take effect. Okay, and then click join. Now the passcode 12345. Click join meeting. Okay, so this will be the Zoom gallery that we need to capture to our OBS. So let's go back to the OBS. Now, just double click this one. Oh, see, we already captured the Zoom gallery. Okay, I'm going to try it again. So I'm going to remove again this one for us to see from the scratch. Click plus sign and then click window capture and then click OK. See, we already captured the Zoom gallery. So here in the window, it should be zoom.exe, Zoom meeting. Okay, this one. We have so many options here, but just click the Zoom meeting to capture the gallery. This is the one, the gallery. So let's go back to our OBS. Click OK. We already captured the Zoom gallery. Just click Shift for us to resize it according to the window in our OBS. Okay. Now, this black background in our Zoom gallery, we're going to make it transparent and change it into a video. Okay. So, we're going to add first a video. Just click this plus sign and then go to media source. Click OK. Click browse. Okay, assuming we're going to change it into sunset. And then click the loop. And then click OK. This will be the sunset. We're just going to rename it. Just right click and then rename. Let's rename it sunset. Okay. And then this will be a Zoom gallery. So this sunset should be at the bottom of the Zoom gallery. Okay, now if we're going to click this eye icon, at the back of this Zoom gallery is the sunset. So we should make this black background of the Zoom transparent for us to see this video. Okay. Next, right-click the Zoom gallery, and then click Filters. Okay, now here, click the plus icon, and then click the color key, and then click OK. Click this one, green, and then click custom color, and then click this one, click the pick screen color. Now, since we're going to remove this black background of our Zoom, so click this black background, and then click OK. Now, before I will click this OK, please observe this black background of our Zoom. This one is just the same with this. So just observe this one. Click OK. So, we already removed the black background of our Zoom. Okay? So, you can also adjust here the similarity. So, not so much because it will remove everything. Just this one is just enough. This is one way to remove the Zoom black background. The other way, I'm just going to click this eye icon. Okay. The other way, again, click the plus icon and click the Luma key. Click OK. Again, here in the Luma key, if we're going to adjust this Luma minimum smooth, see the background? All the blacks will be removed. So now it's up to you what you're going to use, either the Luma key or the color key. Okay, but I prefer to use the color key. So I'm just going to use the color key, and I'm going to remove the Luma key. Now, click close. As you can see, we already have the background of our Zoom gallery. To clean it up, we're going to remove this one and the chat board. Okay, so what shall we do? Just click the Alt of the keyboard and drag it. See, it's just the same as we crop the Zoom gallery, and we crop also here, and we crop also here. Okay, and move wherever we want. In order for you to adjust this gallery, just click Shift and drag to fit in the window. And click the transition. Let's say we're going to cut it. Okay, so this is how we do it. What if we're going to split the speaker and the Zoom gallery side by side? Okay, so first, we're going to go to our Zoom, and then here in the camera icon, click this one, and then click Video Settings. Go to General and click Use Dual Monitors. The use of this dual monitor is that you are going to have an extended monitor for your Zoom, and also you have this gallery. Let us going to close first this Zoom in order for the changes to take effect. Okay, just click Leave Meeting. Now let's join it again. 555-4000, passcode 12345. Okay, click this one and this one. So this is now the extended monitor of your Zoom. You have the gallery and you have this extended monitor. Okay, for us to see clearly the speaker, I'm just going to change this into the rabbit, assuming this will be our speaker. But first, I'm going to make this attendee one as a co-host. And this rabbit, we're going to put this rabbit in our extended monitor. Okay, just right click and click the pin to second screen. For you to do it, you should be a co-host. Now, we're going to capture this Zoom gallery, and also we're going to capture this extended Zoom monitor in our OBS. But first, we're going to arrange this zoom gallery. Just adjust it a little bit smaller maybe. To adjust it, just click this shift button. And then we're going to put here in this side the speaker, assuming the speaker will be this rabbit, okay? To add the speaker, again, click this plus icon and then click window capture, okay? And click OK. See, we already captured the rabbit. Zoom meeting is the gallery, and here the zoom will be the extended monitor, which is the rabbit, okay? This one. Just uncheck the cursor and click OK. Now, we already have the gallery and the speaker, which is the rabbit. So, we're just going to arrange it, adjust this speaker. How to adjust? Click the Alt to crop it, okay? So, this is now the gallery and the speaker. Then, we're going to add this lower third, okay? For now, I'll just going to have the image for the lower third to make it faster. But you can make your own lower third. Okay. And just adjust a little bit here. Okay, and then click cut. So, this is it. We have the gallery. And also, we have the speaker. What if we're going to change this speaker? One of the attendees here, also the speaker. So we're going to change this rabbit. Just go to your Zoom. In the gallery, just right-click whatever speaker you want. For example, this Faye will be the speaker. Just right-click and click Replace Pin on second screen. So this now will be the speaker. And again, if you want the rabbit again to be the speaker, just right click and then replace pin on second screen. As you can see here, you have this speaker rabbit, but you can see also this rabbit in your Zoom gallery. To clean this up, we must remove this rabbit in our Zoom gallery. To do that, first go to your Zoom gallery, right click this rabbit and then click hide self view. Okay, now, see, there is no more rabbit. We just hide it. When you go back to your Zoom gallery, the rabbit is already removed here. So, only in this speaker side, we can see the rabbit, okay? So, if you want to revert it back, just go to your Zoom gallery and click this view and show self view. So, the rabbit is back in the Zoom gallery. But for me, I prefer to remove it here to make it much more clean in our Zoom gallery. So just go back here and right click and hide self view. Okay? If you have some questions, some clarifications, just drop a comments below. To those new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Share the love!